No doubt the film would ensure Fishguard's fame. The publicity value would be incalculable, the tourists uncountable. But how do the people of the real Milkwood country react to being bypassed for a place Dillon scarcely knew? In the true Butcher Bynon land, Butcher Einon makes his point.
Yes, I will, certainly. I don't see it right that this film should be thrown down at Fishguard. How many the characters are in that film that's living at Fishguard? Where it should be thrown at Laugharne, where all the characters really come from.
But you see, when Dillon wrote Under Milkwood, he made a bit of fun of the people who live in Laugharne, and you were one of them. Aren't you perhaps a little bit glad that someone else might now have fun made of them if the film is made at Lower Fishguard?
Well, it looks that way to me. But when Dillon used to come in the shop here, buy a little meat, and he'd always say, well, he was going to make a play and he was busy at it, and you'll be in this play. Oh, I'm glad to hear that, Miss Thomas. What is it? Ah, well, you'll see. Wait and see. You'll hear one day.